Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Geography Year 3, Unit 1, Settlement and Land Use, and this is video part 1. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources available on Oxford OWL: the Geography Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources that go alongside some lessons, Pupil Knowledge Guide, Knowledge Quiz Booklet, posters and Discovery Box cards. To access the resources in Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, in this case Year 1 and 2 Geography, scroll down to View the available resources, select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Here's an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You can pause the video to read them here, and you can find them in the progression document for geography and the unit planning guidance. Every geography unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around. This inquiry question is answered by pupils at the very end of the unit to assess their knowledge. The inquiry question for this unit is: what is the land like in the United Kingdom and how do we use it? The main disciplinary concepts are DC1, the physical world, and DC2, human environments. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. People should be able to answer the lesson question based on the new learning at the end of the lesson. This unit has 6 lessons in total, each lesson approximately 2 hours each, except for lesson 6, which is 1 hour. To support this new learning from each lesson, at the start of every lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunity for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.